first-year experience. This is the forum where you find the information and support to help you make a success of your first year and set the foundation for your future success. Tutorials are small group or one-on-one sessions that complement your lectures and self-study. CPUT has trained tutors who are available to support you in your learning journey free of charge. Where do these tutors come from? The lecturers in your department, with the help of Fundani Center, have identified and instructed other students who are able to help you with the subject matter. These tutors work under the supervision of the lecturer, but often they understand your problems well because they have been there themselves. Tutorials can be one-on-one or in a small group, and sometimes the tutor assists the lecturer during the lecture or practical. Tutorials also give students a chance to teach and learn from each other in the group. It's also sometimes easier and less threatening to ask for academic support from someone your own age. Sometimes students find it hard to identify exactly what is it that they need help with, and a tutor can often help you to identify your problem. There is no need to ever feel alone on your learning journey. Come to Fundani, both Cape Town and Bellville, to find a tutor in the subject you find challenging. They are there to give you the support you need. Thank you for joining us at FYE. Keep your eyes on the prize and enjoy succeeding in your chosen courses. Dininqonelela impumelelo ezifundweni zenu.